Hi and welcome to Reading and Writing with the Word. I'm Ivana Marinkovic and this is a beautiful picture in the city center of Belgrade. Take a look at some letters. A. Letter is found both in English and Serbian Latin script. That's the third picture. B. Letter is found only in the Serbian Latin script. That's the second picture, the pink one. C. Letter is found only in the English Latin script. That's the first picture. Those letters do not exist in Serbian. Sorry. And now I present to you letters found in Latin and Cyrillic Serbian. That's the first box, the orange one. And letters found only in the Cyrillic script. That's the green box. Compare Cyrillic on the left, Latin on the right. Same language, different scripts. And learn how to write. These are the letters that do not exist in English. Practice, practice, practice. Super bravo! You've heard the story about the letters in Serbian. I'm Ivana Marinkovic from eWord and see you soon.